This is a four-link wizard program that we sell and we use here at the shop. And every car that goes out of here, I print out a report like this right here. And that report goes with the car, and that gives the owner of the car the four-link location that we've set the car up at. It gives it we scale the car. It gives it the front and rear weight percentages. It gives it the bottom bar distance to the ground, upper bar distance to the ground, and the spread. It gives it the length of the intersect point and the height of the intersect point off the ground. So as a for instance, if I wanted to change this four-link intersect point and went to this hole here, I just click on this and immediately changes the intersect point and the height of it off the ground. Then I can also go to four-link settings and go to the front bracket and move upper holes as a group. And let's say I want to move, if it's got the adjustable brackets that you can move the uppers and lowers individually, I want to move the upper bracket up 1/8 of an inch. So I put a vertical number of 0.125 right here and do calculate. You can see the spread now is 7 1/4. Hit calculate. Now the spread is 7 3/8. And if that's what you're looking for, you hit accept move and say OK. And now it's moved just these three holes here up 1/8 of an inch. And also you can go to the chassis setup, and if you know what hole the four-link is in, like right now we know that number 3 hole that the four-link's in is 8 1/8 off the ground. You can adjust that by just adjusting the height of the center of the tire to the ground. You can adjust this number, and once you get the height that it measures, you've got the height that the chassis is setting at. You do the same with the front bracket here. And you also put the wheelbase in. You put your front weight and your rear weight in, and then what that does, that gives you the center of gravity of the car, so you can help use that to decide where you want to put the four-link. It's a very, very, very powerful program, and once you get your car, the four-link, like our brackets are already in this program. If you're using somebody else's brackets, I've got some other brackets that I can send also, or you can measure off of your brackets and make your own chart. But once the chart's made, you never have to do it again, and it's a very helpful program. If you're at the racetrack, I have a lot of customers that call me, they're at the racetrack, they want to make a four-link move, and they really don't know, well, if I move this bar to this hole here, what's that going to do? I can bring their chart up on the screen, and within 2 minutes tell them what kind of change they're getting ready to make. It's a necessity. If you have any questions about these, give us a call in the parts department, and those guys will be glad to help you with that.